In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox sound not working on PC. The first thing that I suggest doing is hopping into any Roblox game, pressing the escape key, going into settings, and first checking your volume and other sound settings. So here, make sure you have enough volume to actually hear Roblox. And also, it is important that your output device is going to be set to default. So make sure your output device here is set to default and not any other one. Okay, so once you have checked this, the second thing that I suggest doing is clicking on your sound from your taskbar and going into sound settings. Right here, again, you want to go and focus on the output section and make sure it is set to the default device. So make sure this is set to default. If it doesn't work on default, you can change and go through the other ones and see if that fixes the issue. Another thing that I suggest doing is again clicking on your sound settings and opening up the volume mixer, and here making sure that Roblox is not muted, the icon doesn't look like this, and that it is set to a high enough value here. Okay, so once you have done this and made sure that everything is correct, the last thing that I suggest doing is opening up your computer searching for device manager. And right here, these are going to be your sound drivers. You want to expand audio inputs and outputs, and you just want to right click on every single one and go to update driver. So once you update all of the drivers, then the last thing that you have to do is click on sound, video, and game controllers. And right here, you will again right click and update all of your drivers, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.